1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, thank you so much. Because my English is limited, I can speak English a lot, okay? So what's your name? Ariana? Brandy? What's your name?
Margaret Rodrigo.
Oh, where from?
Toronto.
Oh, Toronto. Oh, how are you? What's your name?
Katie Macaron.
Katie Macaroni? Macaroni?
Macaroy.
Macaroy. Okay. You?
Angelo Santiago po.
Santiago. Ano si Randy? Randy Santiago. Oh, hi. How are you?
Hello, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Alexa Grant.
Alexa, please play music. Thank you. And you?
Chloe Salvesen.
Louis Vuitton? What is it?
Chloe Salvesen.
Louisa?
Chloe.
Chloe Abiton. Sabaton. Chloe Sabaton. Sabaton ka. Okay, what's your name?
Carissa Alaman.
Caressa Alaman. Alaman. Okay. What's your name?
Julian Monte.
Julian Montes? Hindi nga. Julian
Julian Monte.
Monte. Kala ko Julian na Montes. Okay, hi. How are you? What's your name?
Good. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you, Brand. What's your name?
Naomi Cabrera. Naomi.
Naomi. Kikiyomi. Naomi. Are you Filipino or half?
Full Filipino.
Full Filipino. Full Filipino. Hirap naman ito. Okay, what's your name?
Megan Pollen.
Megan Pollen. Oh wow, where you from, Megan Pollen?
Toronto.
Toronto. Are you half or full? Oh, full Filipino? Oh, I'm half. My mother is I'm half Italian. My mother is Ita, my tata is Mani. Thank you so much, ladies. You can proceed to your counter. Thank you very much. Thank you for supporting me. You know, like, maluhin ka.